Animal Kingdom today, and it's a beautiful day, so I'm looking forward to a good day.
Listen, candy taking flight. Travel stories day and night, from city lights to mountain heights. Join the fun, a joyful sight. Packing bags in a rush. Every journey's such a rush, from bustling streets to a silent hush. Living dreams with a wanderlust. The persistent traveler across the world.
Just got off flight to Passage. It was really good as usual. Really enjoyed it. They kept blowing air at us that had all the different smells. It was fantastic. Did you enjoy it, Holly?
Yes.
Yes, Holly enjoyed it. Do you want the camera on you? Yes.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
The smells as well was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Smells.
Smells was lovely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you feel it breathing as well?
Yeah, and your thighs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I could. It's weird.
Yeah, super cool. What do you think, Ryan?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So Anthony and Helena have kindly got us lightning lanes for dinosaur, and I can't remember the others, but for 3 rides, so that was really nice of them. So our first one is going to be dinosaur. I haven't done this for ages, so it should be good. Oh, today is beautiful. The weather is absolutely stunning, and it does make a difference to the rain that we've been having. Really nice atmosphere as well here. Thank you, that would be better. So Eleanor's managed to bag us lightning lane passes for Dinosaur, Expedition Everest and Kilimanjaro Safaris. So they're 3 of the top rides here, I would say, apart from Pandora, which we've just done, Flight of Passage. So we've got 11:15 Dinosaur, 10 to 12 Expedition Everest, and 10 to 1 Kilimanjaro Safaris. In between that, we're hoping to go to Yak and Yeti, the outside part of Yak and Yeti. They do the best rice dish there. I think it's the chicken fried rice. So I'm going to ask for 20 of those. Because Pandy said today, whatever I want, it's no problem.
Yes, love.
Cut to Pandy.
Yes, love. Have whatever you want, absolutely.
Smiles and thrills, they always gather. Chris and Penny's joy forever.
They're escorting your dad.
Chippendale.
She likes them from afar.
Oh my gosh, it's like character central, yeah? So we just came off Dinosaur. What did you think of it, Ryan?
Really good, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, what did you think of it, Holly?
It was good. I screamed the entire way. I thought I was going to fall out of it at one point, but I didn't.
Oh, they
Grabbing onto Ryan.
And I can confirm that Holly did in fact scream the whole of the way round.
It's quite scary though, isn't it?
No.
No.
Did you find it scary at all?
Nah.
No. So, oh, there's Tim Tracker.
My name is Mitchell. You all can call me Reeves. You can call me that because I love taking old materials, using them to build new things. What is it? I love music. I love this weather.
Weather's nice.
Oh, and the name of the
Quiet today is my hat. That's the one I've got.
In the house.
It's in the house. Yeah, sorry. Right, this is the place that does the really nice rice. So This is the chicken fried rice that I was on about from the Yak and Yeti. And I got a bed. So I got in total 2 buds, 2 amber somethings, 1 sesame chicken, honey sesame chicken, and 2 of the fried rices. And I think it came to $80, 16, something like that. But it's worth it, just for the rice. It is just as nice as I remember it to be. And really tasty. This is the honey sesame chicken. Big thumbs up. Now we're full, and absolutely up to you if full. I had to leave half my rice. My eyes are bigger than my stomach. We're going to go on Expedition Everest now, which is a great ride to go on when you're full. There's some really pretty stuff here. We just got off Everest. What do you think of it, Holly?
It was good. Again, I screamed.
No.
I know.
You?
What's new? Yeah. I tried grabbing onto Ryan's hand, but he was like, no, no.
And you tried pointing at him?
Yeah, I tried pointing at myself.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden I just kind of like went and screamed. It was awful.
Oh, brilliant. What did you think of it?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
I couldn't hear much because Holly kept screaming.
Yeah, was it Holly screaming? Was it? I thought it might be somebody else.
No, it was Holly.
Yeah, that was so pretty.
Yeah.
So what have we got next?
Everest Safari.
Yeah, River Safari. Brilliant.
And then it's tough to be a bug. I just booked it for 2 o'clock, 2:30. Oh, tough to be a bug.
Brilliant. I don't know. This went and had a mind of its own. Tough to be a bug.
Tough to be a bug.
It is tough to be a bug. We'll go and find out why.
Zebras are black with white stripes or white with black stripes. And the answer to that is found on the end of the zebra's face. If you look at these zebras' muzzles or noses, you'll see that they're black, which tells us that these zebra are black with white stripes. And they can reach even higher into those trees with their 18-inch long tongue. That tongue of theirs is prehensile, just like the okapi we saw in the forest earlier. As you can see, those giraffe are eating, and they'll spend most of their day eating, and very little time sleeping. They do have a baby with them. Elephants have very long pregnancies. They will carry their babies for 22 months, which is nearly 2 full years. Elephants do love to cover their skin in that mud, since it protects their skin from the sun, like a natural sunscreen. It also helps keep them cool, and protects them from insects and parasites. There is another rhino on the right-hand side as well. Even though that rhino is pretty close to us, it probably can't see us.
Just getting out of it's tough to be a bug. We're all shattered now. We went, had food, went on Kilimanjaro Safaris, and of course Everest. Just came out of it's tough to be a bug. And we're going to get home. We have friends, Ken and Denise, coming over tonight for some pool time. So yeah, headed back to the hotel now. And it's been a great day. Yes, that's the word.
Have plenty of wing room. Hi, Kevin.
That's a big bird.
Yeah. So that's the end of another great day. It's been a good day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And I think tomorrow we're in Universal. Yeah. So thanks for watching us today. Feeling better already because we've got some refreshments. Brian's got a water. Hey. And we'll see you again tomorrow when we'll do it all again. Bye.